Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take photos with the more details on your OPPO A57s. Okay, so we are going to make small comparison between the normal photo mode and the 50 megapixel mode. So let's take photo of this button with the normal mode. Let's catch focus on it. And right now, open this menu. Click to turn on the 50 megapixel mode, catch focus on the same button, and let's take a look on the preview. So this photo was taken with the normal mode, and we can find here a lot of details, and we can zoom in like that. When you go for the 50 megapixel mode, we can find definitely more details, especially when you take a look right here and take a look how close we can zoom in. So yeah, that's very simple. You just have to unlock the 50 megapixel mode and you will be able to get more details on your photos in the OPPO A57s. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.